You said there's a story about the shidduch between your grandparents on that side. Can you tell that story?
It's such a moving story. It truly is. My mother used to talk about that a bit as well. Um, the day that she was going to meet the chassan, she was taken by her parents to this household, and she was asked to wait, and maybe they were going to peek at each other and say hello and so forth. And then she looked at him, but when she got back home, she didn't remember what he looked like. She was very, very overwhelmed, I guess, by this encounter. This was going to be her husband. This is her chassan. And yet, what did he look like? And she began to weep. And her mother tried to console her. But I guess Zayda Chaim was the boss of the household generally, except when Mama gave her push that this is not going to be so. Most of the time she let him. He was in charge. And he came in and she said to him, "Look, she's very upset. What's happening?" And he sat down and he tried to be as gentle as he could with her because this was an important encounter. And she was a young woman. They were married pretty early in those days. And my mother never told me exactly the age, but very early. And she explained to him, "Ich hab vergessen den Ponym von meinem Chassan. I don't remember my chassan's face. How can I marry somebody I don't know?" So they made up a thing where the sister of the chassan would, invite her. So she'd come to the household as a guest of the household, and somehow she would then get a better look at him, which she did. And she decided, okay, this is all right, I'll accept that.